Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall React Native output from no-code exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching your code editor of choice. Open the project directory where your React Native output is located. Locate the folder that contains the no-code exports. Identify the files or assets you wish to uninstall. Check for any dependencies that may be linked to these exports. If applicable, navigate to your package.json file. Remove any dependencies that are linked to the no-code exports. In your terminal, run the command to uninstall these packages. For example, use npm uninstall package name or yarn remove package name. After removing the dependencies, check your import statement. Delete any references to the removed exports within your codebase. Save all changes to your project. Next, open the terminal again. Run your project to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Monitor the console for errors or warnings related to the uninstalled exports. If you encounter any issues, revisit your code and ensure all references have been removed. Finally, clean up any unnecessary files or folders that are left behind. Your React Native project should now be free of the no-code exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.